Alright, hello everyone, Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the temporary Highland Weather Studios. We have a lot to talk about. We'll be doing a live briefing from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. this afternoon, so make sure you stay tuned to that. As well as join forecaster Jackson for the afternoon forecast. He'll bring you the latest updates from the National Hurricane Center and many more about this track. Let's go ahead and get started with the latest weather notes. Cloudy today, partly cloudy Wednesday. Tropical Storm Debby that we continue to monitor in summer-like temperatures. Just starting off for today, no rain is really expected. Maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm. A little bit of the band from Tropical Storm Debby, but that's about it. Cloudy conditions continue all the way through 10 a.m. Temperatures in the upper 60s to lower to mid 70s. Today's high is 84 degrees with cloudy. It's continuing to stay cloudy due to Tropical Storm Debby. The winds will be to the northeast around 7 miles an hour. Tonight's forecast is 66 with clouds early. Partly cloudy late with winds to the northeast around 5 miles an hour. Then tomorrow's forecast, hot temperatures. High of 88 degrees with winds to the north around 8 miles an hour with the probability of precipitation being 18%. So here's the latest track that we have. It looks like it's going to narrowly miss our broadcast area, maybe affecting a few areas within the broadcast area, but we're going to get to shortly what the model agreements are agreeing to at this point. So we want to go ahead and bring you that as well, because many changes are expected. Moderate to very heavy rainfall is still likely for the coastal areas, including the Charleston metropolitan area. All of that. Tropical storm force winds still remain as well, but here's something that we're watching. This is not an official forecast, but we continue to see this. Almost all of the forecast models agree that shifting west into Charlotte area, into the Greenville area, then making a slight turn and going up into Virginia. This is not an official forecast, but this is something that we have to closely monitor, something we have to watch. What I wanted to take it is, even though the National Hurricane Center does not put this forecast cone out, and this is not an official forecast at this time, I want you, if you're in that track or near that track at this time, which includes almost our entire coverage area, please take extra precautions. Make sure you stock up and get ready, just in case the National Hurricane Center does decide and does figure out that it's going to make its way into the Charlotte metropolitan area, Greenville metropolitan area, all of those areas. This is not an official forecast. I'm going to say that again. But it is something I cannot stress about the most. So much uncertainty with this storm. A lot of uncertainty with this storm. Even though it's right there at the Georgia coast, many things could change. It could go where the red is, right out into the Atlantic Ocean, something we would not expect. It could just travel up through the central North Carolina area, or it can, highly doubt this, turn back and go back into Tallahassee. That's not going to happen. But a lot of the models are in agreement that it's going to make it to the upstate and to the Piedmont area of North Carolina. Please stay weather aware. Stay tuned to Highland Weather. Stay tuned to the National Hurricane Center. We will both bring you the latest information we have, because I cannot stress this enough. Do not let your guard down. We will continue to monitor the situation here, and if this does so happen, this storm could bring us moderate to very heavy rainfall, likely that flooding that we're seeing down in Charleston. Not as big as that, but just still moderate to very heavy rainfall. Too early to say how much. We may see a stray shower or a severe thunderstorm with that storm if it makes it that way. But the east side of the storm, including the Myrtle Beach area up into the central part of North Carolina, could see that threat for severe weather. So a lot of uncertainty remains. I do want to continue to monitor this. Keep it tuned to Highland Weather. If this does happen, we'll bring you the live information. We'll bring you up to date. We'll put on red mode, and we'll continue. And if this does happen too, we'll live stream constantly, cover the entire thing. Lastly, looking at the 7-day forecast, at this time, cloudy conditions continue, and those showers from Tropical Storm Debby make its way into Thursday through Saturday. Temperatures in the upper 80s and dropping into the upper 70s. then reaching back into the mid to upper 80s, and lows in the upper to mid 60s, even reaching the lower 70s. Sunny conditions return Sunday through Monday with temperatures in the lower 80s and lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Alright everyone, I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the temporary Highland Weather Studios. Stay weather aware. Stay tuned to Highland Weather. We will keep you up to date on this information on social media and our live streams. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. Keep it tuned to Highland Weather and keep it tuned to the National Hurricane Center. We will both bring you the latest track information, see if it affects our area. Besides that, join forecaster Jackson this afternoon, and we will bring you that live update around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your Tuesday.